Hi there guys, it's Joel here from Aussie Chart Trends. Today's market update is for Tuesday the 11th of December 2012. In today's update we're going to be checking out the smp500 and then take a look at the asx200. Before we do today's update, I've just got to remind everyone that aussiecharttrends.com.au and this video are for educational purposes only. Nothing stated at the site or in this video is intended to be used as any form of investment advice. I'm not a licensed professional. You need to make your own decisions regarding your investments. I'm just here to help anyone searching for a practical direction in today's markets. Alright, so let's take a look now at the S&P 500 on the hourly chart. Guys, not a lot of data last night. We had a fairly sideways night and nothing really happened other than we broke this trend line here. I was speaking about it in the weekly review that we appear to be coming up in a rising channel here, parallel to this line here. But we still do have that expected target of around that 1435 area from our inverted head and shoulders pattern. So for now guys, even though we did break this trend line last night, doesn't really mean too much to me at the moment. I have drawn a new line on the chart. That's this blue line here. As you can see, there's three areas there of rising support, and if the markets did come down, you'd expect that we'd probably get a bounce on this area. There is some chart readers out there saying that this is looking toppy, like a head and shoulders top, but I don't think that we would be in that sort of phase right now, since we just came out of a very large head and shoulders topping formation. The market's corrected, and I think it's very unlikely that this will turn out to be a head and shoulders topping formation, and the symmetry of this pattern just doesn't look like that would really play out. So let's see if in the coming days that we'll get up to that target of that 1435 area. Let's look at the asx200. Looking here on the hourly chart of the asx200, in today's trade we rallied on up again 18 points or so. Let me remind you, we were looking at this symmetrical triangle pattern last week, and we did get that minimum expected move up. That we do still have that target there of around that 4,595 area. And then I'd say that we would probably encounter some resistance around this area. But for now guys, the asx200 is looking quite strong, but I would expect a pullback at some stage. But things are looking quite good there for now. Subscriber to my channel, all I ask is that you do subscribe and then spread the word about what I do and the site. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.